In this video, I'll show you my Eval Villain setup. We're going to install Eval Villain on Firefox Developer Edition. Eval Villain works on any Firefox version. Developer Edition, I don't think there's anything really fancy about it. I only use Developer Edition because it's separate from my normal daily driver Firefox. It allows me to have a testing browser that's completely separate. In Firefox, open a tab and type about : add-ons. In there you can search for Eval Villain. That will take you to the add-on store where you'll see Eval Villain by BMOTWIZ. That's me. Click Add to Firefox. I'm going to allow it in private windows and pin to extension toolbar. If you don't see that, it might hide Eval Villain underneath this icon here, and you can click to pin to toolbar. But you should see Eval Villain in your toolbar after that. You'll also see Eval Villain in your About Add-ons page. There, we can go to Manage, and then Run on sites with restrictions. I will enable that. I also go to Manage Extension Shortcuts and Control E. Now, at this point, if I hit Control E, Eval Villain turns on and off. Just the same as if I enabled it by clicking. To double check that it's working, go to example.com, open the console. I used a shortcut, but you can use Hamburger, More Tools, Web Developer Tools. Make sure Eval Villain is on. Refresh the page, and you'll see EV, that's for Eval Villain, has the functions for this page have been hooked, and it gives you the origin. If there was iframes, those would also be displayed, whether they were hooked or not. You can also further double check by using any of the hooked functions, like document.write or eval. You'll see that it's a proxy. And if you run ASDF in it, Eval Villain will respond the needle ASDF was found hitting that sync. On some websites, such as Doyensec, first of all, if you see nothing, it's probably because you need to refresh the page or enable Eval Villain. On Doyensec's website, because of the CSP, Eval Villain is blocked. But even when it's blocked, it notifies you that it failed to run on this domain. I'll show you in a later video how you can get around this block.